Hello everyone, recently I've been building a medieval castle on the beach just by shuffling the stones around, and I've needed a new cart. My wheelbarrow has completely broken after 6 months of transporting stone. There was just holes all through it, the wheel broke, it came off the bearing, everything went rusty, it was absolute chaos. Then I tried building a regular handcart with just 2 bicycle wheels, but it buckled under the weight of the stones I was moving. So this video is just me upgrading it. I'm upgrading my little handcart that I made of scrap metal and bikes that I managed to scavenge, and we're going to make it a little bit stronger by slapping 4 wheels on it. It's going to be a little handcart that I can use for lifting heavy stones across the beach, I guess. That's pretty much what this is. Pretty fun project, not super difficult, just some basic welds and cuts and whatever. And this is the video. Maybe it's useful to you, maybe it's not. Either way, you clicked on it and you're here now, so you may as well watch it. I'm going to slap some music in the background while you watch the rest of it. Goodbye. Oh, and would you look at that, with the magic of movie editing, we're already at the end. I've already done it. I've built it. It only took me like a minute because I compressed probably a whole hour into 1 minute, so you wouldn't have to sit through the whole thing because that would be boring. Now the rest of the video is just going to be me testing it out, so this is like a little demo. It's a very small project. I don't even know if this was worthy of a video, but I made it into a video anyway because I discovered arc/stem.com and I thought I'd post something on there, so here we go. If you're still watching, you should probably subscribe. I'll do some more stuff, or not. I don't really mind either way.
Every game I play on the computer just a trailer. I want the dirt on my shoes, not a save file later. Play the games in real life, I don't need a controller. I've been moving through the field like a king on a motor. Circle the equator, leave a mark where I step. Whole map in my pocket, every corner I rap. No money in the bank, yeah, I burned that script, cause I'm gonna own the banks. Watch the whole thing shift. They talk big online, but they fold in the room. I bring the long view, you just chasing the bloom. I don't wait for a slide, I make space with my name. When the door starts shaking, you already know the game. White horse, red horse,